I hope you're not planning on buying wings for this Super Bowl, because these honey garlic lemon pepper wings are out of this world, and they only take about 30 minutes. Let me show you guys how to make it. To begin, I have about a pound of wings here. If you want your wings to be super crispy, you have to pat it dry, okay? All that moisture is just gonna boil in the air fryer. If I didn't tell you guys yet, we're going to air fry these. Pat it dry just like so. Then you're going in with a little bit of olive oil. Now you're going to give it a nice mix just like so. And then you're going to season it. Now this is my husband's favorite homemade seasoning, okay? He goes really hard for this seasoning, so I'm using it today. But however, sorry, if you have any all-purpose seasoning, you can use it. So what's in it? It's onion and garlic powder, ground black pepper, pretty much the basic Italian seasoning, paprika, and I added some pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. Just mix it all together. And I have some salt in there, I forgot to mention. And that's pretty much how you season your wings. And voila, your wings are nice and seasoned. I have my air fryer nice and ready to go. Now, I get a lot of questions regarding this air fryer. Talk about it all the time. Now, you can find this air fryer in my Amazon storefront. It is the perfect air fryer. Honestly, I've had this for at least a year and a half now. I love it so much. It's very large, spacious, as you can see. Now I'm going to make sure I spread them out so they're not touching each other, because I really want the wings to come out super crispy. Now I'm going to close it. I have the preset on wings already on 380 for about 14 minutes. However, I'm going to do this for about 35 minutes because I want it to be nice and crispy, you know? Now we make the delicious honey garlic lemon pepper sauce. Now we're going in with the garlic. I'm using about 5 to 6 garlic cloves. You want it to be nice and garlicky. Now we add the honey. The honey will make it nice and sticky and glossy. Oh, let me measure it. That's about half a cup of garlic. Perfect. Next, we're going in with some low sodium soy sauce, about half a cup, okay? I'll have everything in the description box for you guys, so make sure you check the measurement there. Give it a nice mix. Now we're going in with some lemon zest. Yes, this will add lots of flavor, especially that lemony flavor we love. Just add that in. I'm adding about half a lemon juice in there as well. Now we're adding about 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. Yes, this is the sauce, y'all. It's so good. Allow it to simmer until it's become nice and glossy and a little thick, not too thick. All right, guys, finally, the wings are done. You should see them, crispy. I know, they look absolutely crispy. You can see it. Now we're going to transfer them to our bowl. Yes, just how I like them. You'll see it. Beautiful, and y'all can hear the sound that it is crispy, okay? Then we're gonna add this beautiful sauce. Oh my God, it's going to be heaven. I had to heat it up a little bit because it was getting a little too thick. But you guys, take a look. Give it a nice toss. Ooh. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Do y'all see the glaze, the shine, the flavor? I know you can see it. Let's plate this up real quick. Ooh, looks so good. Let me tell you, these are the perfect party wings. I'm telling you, I made these before plenty and plenty of time. When I tell you they're so good, there's no reason for you to be wasting your, see, fall off the bone. There's no reason for you to be wasting your money at WingStop. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Is there anything else do you need me to say? These are savory, sweet. You got the lemon pepper with the kick. Like, these are the perfect party wings. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Leave me a comment down below. Are you going to be watching the Super Bowl? And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.